Alright, we got that baby in the back and she ready to go to the body shop. That's where we're going right now this morning, okay?
New cars.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games.
Alright folks, finally got this door delivered here at the shop, and I'm gonna get this thing out of here because it was just sent to the other shop down the road and to have its parts removed, and it's going to be transferred to this, actually my old parts are going to be transferred to this new door, a little bit new door. It's actually an old door. So as you can see, it came from a burnt orange colored Aveo like I have, but mine is black and I really like that burnt orange color. That would have been my second choice. So primary choice would be black and the secondary choice would be burnt orange because it is a beautiful color to me. So what they're going to do is they're going to take that door completely apart, the old door, get all the parts into this new door, which is the motor, the bushings, the weather stripping, the panels, and also the door glass. Everything is going to be completely moved over because they wanted 29,000 pesos for this door complete, and I said no, just give me the metal shell. I'm going to transfer everything over because nothing on my door internally or electrically is damaged. Even the glass was good. So that's what's going to happen right now. Okay guys, we got the door here on the stand. They're going to be painting the inside here first, and then after that they're going to be doing this very top part when they get it mounted to the car, and then they're going to put all the parts back in it and it's going to look like brand new, and then the car is going to be finished off. We're getting close, but we're a little short on labor right now, so that's what's going on. And when this thing is done, they'll wrap the car up. But I told those guys not to hurry. I told them to take their time because it is color black and it has to look really good or we're going to have issues. You know what I mean? We're going to have issues with the quality control. So that's about it. All right. So anyway guys, this shop has multiple divisions, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to the body shop portion right now, and you know, I'm not going to video that. Okay, I'm going to take that out, and I'll give you guys a tour of the shop where the car is going to be worked on. In a minute, it's going to be down behind me, as you can see, right over there. Okay, and as soon as I get my microphone, I'll be good. Hello.
Ano name your FB?
Ha?
Ano name your
Facebook? Meron kayo cellphone? Wala kayo. So guys, we are in, what is guys, we're in Cruiser's crib, and this is all the cars they got here. Hello. So they got a whole host of things that you could do with your car here. That's the painting booth, and you got a car getting done. And blending of silver, by the way, is very hard to do. It's just, and they also got, it's heated, climate controlled, and they got a lot of things going on here, as you can see. All right. Hey!
Good morning, sir.
Meron ako listahan sa mga piyesa. Okay? So, and...
You, the pinto?
Pinto? Yeah, did you see it?
I didn't see it.
It's over there, yeah.
checked.
It's fast, no?
Yes.
I told you I could get parts. That's my specialty. I'm really good at that. So, he said you're looking for, suspension system for Stargazer.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go check my sources. I have sources in Olongapo, San Fernando, and also Angeles City. Okay, so and then also Banawi and Evangelista, and over here in Cavite and Cebu. Okay, so I'm really connected. You know, you guys aren't connected in Cebu, no?
No.
Why?
So far, very far.
Oh well, it's okay. I just have them ship here LBC. What happened to me before? I had a car project, right?
Yes.
And then I couldn't find parts anywhere, all my sources, and then I called Cebu because sometimes I buy cars there from the bank.
What?
I have to go to Cebu, yeah, and then when I find the car, I go shop for parts there before it comes back here, right? So I go, okay, I'll get this, and I go, just store everything in the car, and then the car, of course, it looks like a Stargazer. It's really bangga, right? And then I get it, and I get the cheapest barge, you know, and it's usually if you get a container ship, it's like 25,000, maybe 30,000 to ship, but the barge is like 5K. But they put all the bakal with the car, you know what I mean? you know, makalawang bakal. But it's okay, but it's cheap, right? So that's why I do it that way, and then I ship it here to Metro Manila. There's a lot of cars over there in Cotabato, Cebu, Mindanao, that area. There's a lot of cars over there for sale.
For sale?
Yeah, because nobody wants to go there to buy it.
Not flooded.
It's, well, of course, all kinds. Flooded, nawalang pieza,
Yes.
malakas bangga. It's got everything.
Okay.
So, but the problem is, nobody wants to come from Manila and fly over there, and
Yes.
you know, because maybe they're working or they're busy with their business here or
Yes.
whatever, right? So I fly over there and I spend a week, and then I go.
Transfer there.
Oh yeah,
Very
it's I have a system now. Before it was very hard for me, but now it's okay. So you know, it's good. So I took a picture of the car over there, but I didn't take a picture of the shop. Okay, just car lang. Okay, not the shop. Okay, I know now why you want me to. You don't want me to take a picture because yeah, it looks like a Talier, right? I understand now. So
Okay.
and then the thing is, I was looking like, oh, that's why he doesn't want me to video. I go, oh, okay.
Yeah.
So before I post this thing, when it's done, I'm gonna have you approve it, okay, or disapprove it, and if whatever you want me, before it goes live, panggalan ako, and then I'll redo it. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Okay, I'll talk to you later, my friend. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. So we have a lot of cars here that are damaged. That's minor. That's not gonna. If this was in a bank, this was in. You got damage here too. If this was in a bank, guys, not gonna save a lot of money. Okay, I'll tell you right now. It's there's not enough damage, believe it or not, to save a lot of money. This, to them, that's minor. And believe it or not, in the U.S., this would be major. See, you see the little bit of frame damage there? Or the primary frame, you see? Okay, in the U.S., this would be considered a write-off, believe it or not. Just a little thing like that would be considered a write-off. So, this shop is massive, guys. It's probably 3,000 meters in size, maybe, but it's massive. And the guys here are very, very nice. And we have the door ready to go. This is minor. And of course, the door is over there. Did I video that already? Anyway, the door's here. It looks ugly, but my God, the work they did on my car in like a couple of days was incredible. All right, guys? So,
Hey guys, sound check. We're going to Banawi. We have to go get these parts here, and it's going to need a front grill. 2015 model, I think is what it is. So we're going to have to go find it. Ay, kailangan niya fender din. Ito.
Don't you see we're invincible? We're invincible. We're invincible.
Sigurado? Okay. Picture na ko. Oh, ito kailangan buo, di ba? Ha?
Supplier ka na rin?
Oo. Sabi ko sa'yo, expert ako sa mga piyesa, di ba? Kailangan talaga maging expert kasi kung walang expert, paano ko matapos sa sakyan? Wala akong kaibigan, wala akong empleyado. Ako talaga may maggawa. That's why meron ako YouTube channel, di ba?
Dito, daan talaga marami piyesa.
Ha?
Puro bandang dala rito.
Oo, see, di ba may matuba mo doon sa Stargazer nyo? Ito yung piyesa, ito yung part number. As of now, pwede sila, meron sila yung part. Sabi ko, oh shit!
Anong unit yan?
Ha?
Anong unit?
Ito Staria. Pwede Staria, sabi niya. Pwede Staria and Stargazer. Parehas, sabi niya. Sabi ko, oh, parehas chassis, okay.
Nagbablog ka ba mo? Ano ang YouTube channel mo?
Oh, kala ko alam nyo.
Ako, hindi ko alam.
Oh, okay.
Eh?
Saglit. Magbablog ako ganitong proseso sa sakyan din.
Boot? Ano yung glove cutters?
Just type in mo at BBG. Yan lang. Bravo Lima. No.
BBG?
BBG.
Ito?
BBG.
Ay, ano?
Hit search. Wala?
Ano ba ito?
Ano ba yun?
YouTube music pala ito. Ito.
At BBG.
BBG?
BBG. Nako, wala ko dyan. Sana ko. Okay, ayaw. Tingnan mo.
Wala.
Patingin. Ito. Subscribe, huh? And notification bell. Meron ako motorcycle content, so parang ibang itsura. Diba? So alam nila, isipin nila, oh, may iba pang channel dyan. Sino yan? Oh, kasama to. So, hindi nila alam kasama to. But, yan yung motorcycle channel ko. Kasi motorista ako una, and tapos sakyanero ako pangalawa. Okay? Thank you. Ingat. Babalik ako next time bukas. Okay guys, so I think we're done here. Gonna go to Banawi and go get some, locate some parts for them. They're gonna need a lot of stuff. Wow. So I don't want to interrupt this meeting. So okay, I don't want to interrupt this meeting. So I'm gonna go. He's looking for parts for that Fortuner over there. Okay, I think the front grille, and I'm gonna look for the. You remember the fender pieces here that were over there? Right? It looks like y'all were looking for it or something like that because it's not complete, right? So you need one set for the front, and then the rear you need that one piece that's missing. Because I know how y'all are doing it. I was thinking, no, don't get the whole thing, just get the pieces that we need. I'm like, oh, okay, I forgot y'all were a business. So I'll locate that, and then the headlight, right?
Yes, sir.
I've already located parts for that Stargazer. I found it already. Yeah, you surprised? I told you I got skills that pay the bills, baby. You didn't know, huh? I got skills that pay the bills. See? That's it right there. I talked to the body guys, and they said yes, that's correct. It's because the Staria and the Stargazer both use the same chassis parts. Okay, I got a source for parts for that entire thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I already told them. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not gonna charge you at all for the service because we're friends, right? Okay, you make sure we're friends, huh? Because I'm using my gas, my resources stuff to make sure you guys are set. Okay. So there's no extra charge here, and I'm gonna give you the same price they give me in Banawi, but you have to pay it. Okay, and then you have to pay what the hell they call that shit? Sometimes I give them a tip. Okay, then when I come here, I'll give you the price for everything, and then you give me a tip, like maybe 2, 3, 4, sometimes 500 pesos, and then then I'll get it, and then I'll deliver it here personally. See, you found the right guy this time, because I'm a YouTuber, baby. That's what I do for a living. Well, not really, but for fun. Thank you. I'll talk to you later, okay? I'll be back in either one day or a couple of days, okay? Yeah, sure. Well, I guess I'm gonna go to Banawi again and look for those parts now. That's what we're gonna be doing.